When Apple first introduced Dynamic Island, most people thought that it was just a clever design around the camera cutout, but it's so much more than that. Dynamic Island actually acts like a mini multitasking hub, floating right at the top of your screen, showing you live updates, controls, and shortcuts, all without interrupting what you're doing. In this video, I'm breaking down everything Dynamic Island can do, from controlling music and managing deliveries to flight tracking, timers, and even live sports score. Whether you're new to iPhone or you have never just explored this feature fully, this guide will help you unlock its full potential. Before we get into everything Dynamic Island can do, here's a quick tip to make sure it actually works the way you want it to. Go to Settings, Apps, and open the individual apps you want to see on Dynamic Island. Then just toggle on Live Activities. Only the apps that support live activities will show this option. And once it's on, you'll start seeing updates right on the Dynamic Island. Alright, now that it's all sorted, let's jump into what all the Dynamic Island can do. Let's start with the most common way I use Dynamic Island, and honestly, it's probably the way most people used to control music right from the home screen. Whenever you're playing music and head back to home screen, you will see this little animation pop up on the Dynamic Island. If you tap on it, it'll open the app back again. But if you long press, you get this quick controls like pause, skip, or volume without fully opening the app. And here's a neat trick. If you want to clear the Dynamic Island from the view, just swipe it away in any direction. But you're not closing the app, you're just simply tucking it away. Swipe again and it'll pop right back into its place when you need it. Oh, and by the way, Spotify and many other third-party apps also integrate with Dynamic Island to show more controls. Now, one of the coolest features of Dynamic Island is that it can show up to 2 apps running at the same time. This is great for multitaskers or anyone who likes to juggle between tasks without losing track of what's going on. For example, if you're listening to music and tracking a timer, Dynamic Island will show both the music controls and the timer status at the same time, side by side. It's a simple way to keep tabs on 2 things without cluttering your screen or constantly switching between apps. Just tap on the Dynamic Island and it'll expand to show both apps in full details, making it super easy to manage everything on the fly. Another super useful feature is that Dynamic Island can show nearby AirPlay compatible devices, making it so much easier to stream your content. Let's say you're watching a video or listening to music and you want to send it to a nearby device like Apple TV or HomePod speaker. Dynamic Island will automatically detect those AirPlay devices and display them right on top of your screen. You can then tap the icon to instantly connect and start streaming without having to dig through menus or open Control Center. It's so seamless and super quick. Dynamic Island isn't just for music and media. It's also super handy for tracking your rides and food deliveries. If you've got an Uber or Lyft ride on the way, Dynamic Island will show you real-time updates like the driver's location, estimated arrival time, and the car's model. You don't even have to open the app to keep track of it. Just glance at the island and you've got everything you need. The same goes for food deliveries apps, whether it's Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub. Dynamic Island will display your order status from when it's being prepared or when it's out for delivery. If you're a frequent traveler, Dynamic Island has a fantastic feature for flight tracking, especially for United Airlines. Thanks to the integration with live activities, you can get real-time flight updates right on the Dynamic Island. This includes everything from boarding passes and gate details to countdowns for your flight departure. But if you're not flying on United, third-party apps like Flighty lets you access Dynamic Island for live activity, and your flight details will show up like this on the Dynamic Island. This makes it incredibly convenient for keeping tabs on your flight without constantly checking the app. Although other airlines may not offer this functionality yet, it's definitely a feature we might see more of in the future as the technology expands. If you're someone who loves using timers for cooking, workouts, or even just tracking time, Dynamic Island has you covered with all these countdown timer feature. When you set a timer on your iPhone, the countdown will appear in the dynamic island, so you don't have to open the clock app to keep an eye on it. Whether you're timing a 5-minute break or an hour-long cooking session, you will see the timer running in real time right at the top of your screen. If you have multiple timers running, you will see the timer that will expire the earliest on the dynamic island. And the best part, you can still use your phone for other tasks while keeping track of the time. If you're a sports fan, Dynamic Island makes it super easy to stay on top of live games without constantly refreshing apps or checking notifications. When you follow a team through the Apple TV app or apps like Apple Sports or FootMob, the live score will show up right on top of the island. Whether it's football, basketball, baseball, or soccer, you will see the score update in real time, and tapping on it can take you directly into the app for more details. It's a perfect way to keep tab on your favorite team while multitasking. So you can be working, texting, or browsing and still never miss a game-changing moment. When you turn on flashlight, there is a new animation that pops up like this. You can control the intensity and fine-tune the beam direction right from here too. Just tap on the dynamic island whenever you want to make adjustments. Now you can move the slider up or down to increase or decrease light intensity, or swipe right or left to direct the beam. This way you can actually focus the torchlight on a specific subject. Super useful when you need precision. Whether you're using Apple Maps or Google Maps, Dynamic Island turns your navigation into a smooth, glance-friendly experience. When you start turn-by-turn directions, your route info pops up right on the Dynamic Island, showing upcoming turns, distance to the next step, and estimated arrival time. You can tap on it to jump into the map app or long press for a quick expanded view without leaving your current screen. It works great whether you're walking, driving, or even using public transit. Here's a neat one. Whenever you start a screen recording on your iPhone, Dynamic Island will show a bright red recording indicator. It's super handy because you don't have to guess if the recording has started or stopped. The island shows it clearly. You can tap on the Dynamic Island to stop the recording instantly. It's perfect for creators, gamers, or anyone who want to capture what's happening on the screen without distractions. I use it a lot. Here's a super underrated feature. Did you know that you can use Apple Notes to record audio like a lecture or a meeting and control it straight from the Dynamic Island? When you start an audio recording inside the Notes app, Dynamic Island will show a live waveform and timer. So you know it's actively recording even if you switch apps or lock your phone. A quick tap on the Dynamic Island will bring you right back to the Notes app. And if you long press, you will see basic controls like pause or stop without digging through the app. It's a simple but powerful way to record lectures, voice memo, or even brainstorming sessions while staying productive. One of the most practical uses of Dynamic Island is with phone calls. When you're on a call already or working on some other app and then you get a call from someone, the call pops up on the Dynamic Island like this. You can answer or decline from here, and if you answer it and you're on the call, Dynamic Island will display a compact version of your call controls right at the top of your screen. You will see the call duration, a waveform animation if someone's talking, and if you tap on it, it'll take you back to the full call screen. Long pressing brings up quick options like mute, speaker, or end call, all without leaving what you're doing. It's subtle but super useful. Now, this one's a quick but super handy feature. Whenever you connect your AirPods, you will see a little pop-up animation right on the Dynamic Island. This one's surprisingly handy. When someone connects to your iPhone's personal hotspot, Dynamic Island shows a little green icon right up top. It tells you exactly how many devices are connected in real time. It's not just useful for when you connect a device, it's a quick way to spot if someone's using your hotspot without permission to. Maybe you shared the password once and forgot, now you will know instantly. And if you tap on the Dynamic Island, it'll take you straight to the hotspot settings so you can disconnect devices or turn it off completely. Super convenient and a great way to stay in control. And that's everything Dynamic Island can do. It's not some groundbreaking feature, but it's definitely a handy little addition that makes everyday tasks just a little bit smoother. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and if you want more practical tech tips like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.